Are you thinking about a career in HVAC? In this video, I'll cover all the details: what jobs you can do, how much salary you can earn, and what is the future scope of HVAC around the world. First, let's explore the diverse job opportunities in HVAC. From installation to maintenance, the field is vast and growing. Next, we'll dive into the earning potential. It's more than you might think. And finally, we'll discuss the future scope of HVAC globally. With climate change and technology, HVAC is more crucial than ever. Stay tuned to learn how you can be part of this exciting industry. Don't miss out on a rewarding career path. Subscribe now to get all the insights. Are you thinking about a career in HVAC? In this video, I'll cover all the details: what jobs you can do, how much salary you can earn, and what is the future scope of HVAC around the world. I'm about to put you on to 3 career paths in the HVAC industry that will change your life. Option number 1, HVAC technician. Work hands-on with systems in homes and hotels. Option number 2, system designer. Create efficient solutions for malls and hospitals. Option number 3, HVAC. Sales and support. Connect with big industries and provide essential services. The HVAC field is vast and full of opportunities. Which path are you exploring first? Or did I just make you consider a new career? Be honest. Wondering about your salary potential? It all depends on your skills and where you live. In Pakistan or India, you might start with 25,000 to 50,000 PKR. In the Gulf, like UAE or Saudi Arabia, it's around 2,000 to 4,000 SAR monthly. In the USA or Canada, technicians earn $20 to $35 an hour. That's over $3,000 a month. So, where do you see yourself thriving? Thinking about starting a career? Here's a quick guide. First, enroll in a short course or diploma program. Focus on practical skills like installation and troubleshooting. Learn about refrigerant handling and system controls. And remember, always keep upgrading your knowledge.